Hey, it's me, Mr. King. So today what we're going to go over is how to translate a document into whatever language you want. The one for today is just going to be Spanish. So here's a Cornell Notes template. And then what you're going to want to do, look in the tab and then find Tools. And then scroll down to Translate Document. And then pop up. It'll ask you what the new document you want called. Spanish Cornell Notes. View. Okay. And then hit Choose Language. Start typing so I can find the S's and then go down to Spanish and then translate. And then what it's going to do, it's going to open up a new doc in Espanol. Okay. And then there's one more resource that I want to share today. There is a Google Translate Chrome extension. Also note that the Google Chrome translations aren't great, but it's the best we have so far. Here's also Google Chrome extension. So just Google Chrome extension translate. And this is useful. It can translate a little bit more things and make it more streamlined. So go to extension, and then you'll have the option add to Chrome, and then boom, you can add it right there. And then it'll run, and then it'll pop up on this tabs, and then you can click on it right in here in the puzzle piece, go to extensions. You can go to options and then go to primary language, and you can change it to whatever your primary language is. So that's another good useful tool. Thank you for staying with me to the video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.